Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to download and install Fedora Linux 43 Workstation Edition on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to Fedora official website. It is Fedora project.wars. See here, the latest release at the time of making this video is 43. Mouse over on this Get Fedora. Then see here we have the editions: Workstation, KDE Plasma, Server, Cloud, CoreOS and IoT. In this video we are going to download and install Workstation. So click on it, then click on download or click on this download now. Both are same. See here we have the for Intel and AMD x86-64 systems we have to download this live ISO file. Okay, so click on this download button. See, download started and its size is about 2.6 GB. Okay, this will take time. I am going to pause this video. Once download completes, then we will install Fedora Workstation 43 edition on VirtualBox. Okay. See, download is completed. Now open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Now click on this new or machine and select new to create new virtual machine. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. Name can be anything. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. See, this is the default location. If you want some other location, click on other. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Then select the downloaded ISO image. Go to download. See here I have the Fedora Workstation Live 43 ISO image. Select it. See, once you selected, OS change it to Linux, OS distribution to Fedora, OS version is Fedora 64-bit. Don't select this checkbox, that is proceed with unattended installation. Then go to virtual hardware. I am giving 4 GB. Number of CPU cores 2. Then specify the hard disk. I am giving 50 GB. Okay, then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click, then select settings, or select it and click on settings. Okay, or select it and go to machine and select settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, click on start. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is start Fedora Workstation Live, and hit enter. Double click on this one to get the full screen. See, you got the full screen. Okay. See, if you want to use this for testing or live purpose, you can use and you can shut down. But if you want to install permanently, click on this install Fedora Linux. See, now select the language. Type for English. I am going to select English United States. Keyboard, I am going with the default, so click on next. Now select the destination. See, this is the default location, or if you want to change the destination, click on change destination. I am okay with the default one. And how would you like to install? Use entire disk, then click on next. If you want to encrypt data, you have to select the checkbox. I don't want, click on next. See, this is the installation summary. If you want to modify any one of these settings, click on back and you can edit. Then click on erase data and install. See, installation has been started. See, successfully installed. To begin using Fedora Linux 43 Workstation, reboot your system. So click on this exit to live desktop to reboot the system. So go to here, remove this ISO file by selecting this remove disk from the virtual drive, unmount, then right click, then reset to restart. See, now it is restarting. Now select the language and click on next. Typing also next. If you want to enable local services and automatic problem reporting, you have to enable this one. If you don't want, turn off like this. Then click on next. Now select the time zone. by searching here, or you can select on the globe. Then click on next. If you want to enable third-party repositories, you have to select this one. Then click on next. Now we have to create our setup user. See, first one is the full name, then this is the username. Then click on next. Then set the password for this user. Confirm the same. Then click on next. All done. So start using Fedora Linux. See, welcome to Fedora Linux 43 Workstation Edition. Click on skip. Then open terminal. See, these are the default applications. Okay, open terminal. Let me increase the font size. Now verify the version more /etc os-release. See, we have installed Fedora Linux 43 Workstation Edition. Okay, the first step after connecting to Fedora Linux 43 is we have to update the packages. Sudo dnf update & sudo dnf upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of this user. See, it is going to install 8 packages and upgrading 279 packages, replacing 279 packages. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. Okay, this will take time. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Fedora Linux 43 Workstation Edition on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.